Hi, this is Dr. Levin, and today we're going to be talking about how to evaluate and enhance your own cervical range of motion. This is going to do a lot of things. It's going to normalize the function of your neck. It's going to have your neck last a lot longer without becoming arthritic as fast, and it's going to reduce pain. So if you're relatively young, say 45 or less, you should be able to turn your head a full 80 degrees. If you're about 50 or more, like I am, about 70 degrees is fine. So you want to be able to almost look completely over that shoulder in both directions. Now, if you look in the mirror and you realize you're only getting about 45 degrees, that's a big problem. That means your range of motion is markedly reduced. Your spine is going to degenerate faster. Your muscles will probably feel tight. You're going to feel tight and you're going to be more uncomfortable. So here's what you do. It's very simple. You just stretch your neck. So you'll put one hand on your cheekbone, the other behind your head, you turn, and then give yourself a little stretch. Don't go too hard, don't hurt yourself. Start out very gentle like any other stretch or exercise, and then work your way up. So you'll do both sides. Just like so. Give a little stretch. Now you're not going to try to do a chiropractic maneuver on yourself. You're not going to do a quick impulse. Just a nice gentle stretch. Now, if you notice that you can turn further to one side than the other, like let's say for argument's sake I can't go as far to the left. Well, I'll start to the left, stretch to the left, then do the right, and then I'll finish to the left, so I'm stretching the side that's tighter more. That's the first range of motion you need to check. The second is lateral flexion, which is simply dropping your ear to your shoulder. Now you don't want to do this. You just want to leave your shoulders relatively level. And if you're, say, 45 or less, you should be able to get 45 degrees. The kids are amazing. They put their ear right on their shoulder. They go 90 degrees. But if you're 45 or less, you should get a full 45 degrees. If you're, say, 50 or over, 35 is probably okay. But if you're only getting this, or if you're getting 7, 10, 15 degrees, big problem. Your neck is degenerating faster. You are tight. You've lost a lot of range of motion. No good. So what do? You stretch your neck. You drop it over to the side. Feel the stretch right over here when you're going to the right. Now, if you're not getting enough of a stretch, if you feel like you're not really moving, you're not appreciating, you're not picking up range of motion, just drop your head to the side, and with your hand, give a little stretch, just like that. Now make sure you're not cheating, going like this. You're not accomplishing anything. Keep the shoulders level, and just stretch it over. Again, start out gentle. Don't force yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Start out gentle and slowly work your way up to the point where you can get that full 70, 80 degrees in rotation and that full 45 degrees in lateral flexion. And you're just going to feel much better. It's amazing how quickly it works. Within a week or two, you'll be feeling a lot better.